I want to give you an amazing hack if you want to up your stories. So if you're not getting a lot of views on your stories compared to your follow account, here's something that you can do. And I have tested this and this works super well. I do not have the patience to do this every day. But what you do is if you want to get good views on your story, you need to make sure that yesterday's story has all run out. So what that means is if you've posted at 8 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, and then 12 o'clock midday on yesterday, then to get better views today for your video, your stories, you would not post anything until after midday today. Because if you wait, it basically pushes out to Instagram bigger amounts. So I don't do that every day, but if I've got a big thing, like I've got a podcast tomorrow, I am far more careful about what I post the day before. That's a lie. I forgot about it today until I said it. But normally I am far more careful about what I post the day before so that I have a free runway to really promote something. I normally do it. Lockdowns put me out, but that's what I would do.